the Lazy Girls Kitchen. My name is Maggie. If you are new, then welcome. Don't mind the mess. It's a filming day. Today I want to share with you how to make my version of like caramel popcorn. I use already a popcorn. I use the Skinny Pop that's slightly salted because I like that salty and sweet flavor. You can make the popcorn yourself. The recipe is really easy. It's absolutely delicious. It'll store really well for about a week and a half, and like a container that's really nicely sealed, or even a Ziploc baggie. The only thing I will say is please be careful when you're working with hot sugar, because if you've ever been burnt, it doesn't tickle. So please be careful and enjoy.